you imagine a world where your next job doesn't even exist yet? Let that idea sink in. According to a report by CSIRO, the Australian government's scientific research agency, our future workplace will be a whirlwind of change, faster and more diverse than anything we've experienced before. Picture a rise in automation, shifting job roles, and an ever-increasing demand for high-level skills. Got that image in mind? Hold that thought as we dive into the fascinating world of future work. Picture this. The year is 2044. Your job title? A remote pilot, or maybe an online chaperone. Sounds futuristic? Well, the future of work is an exhilarating and swiftly changing field. As per the Australian government's scientific research agency, CSIRO, we're on the cusp of a workplace revolution, characterized by greater, faster, and different transitions than we've ever experienced before. The rise of automation is reshaping our professional landscape, altering the roles we seek and the jobs we do. Complexity is escalating, and higher skills are required, even for tasks that were once considered entry-level. But don't let the spectre of robots taking over human jobs spook you. While some jobs might become obsolete, automation and AI are paving the way for new roles that we can't even imagine today. Consider the remote pilot, controlling unmanned aerial vehicles from thousands of miles away, or the online chaperone, ensuring the safety of minors in the digital world. Then there's the personalized preventative health helper, providing bespoke health advice based on your genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. Yes, the rise of automation might replace some unskilled labor jobs in sectors like agriculture, construction, logistics, or manufacturing. But it's also creating a brave new world of opportunities. And this world demands creativity, an increasingly sought-after skill, and entrepreneurship. In this future, creativity reigns supreme, and the entrepreneurial spirit thrives. So, the future of work seems like a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? We're talking about drones humming overhead, piloted by remote operators, online chaperones ensuring our virtual environments are safe, and personalized preventative health helpers offering bespoke health advice tailored to our unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. The world of work is evolving at a pace never seen before. Automation and the fourth industrial revolution are driving new roles, and with them, the demand for higher skills, even at entry level. The rise of AI, while possibly replacing some jobs, is also breathing life into fresh roles and industries. In the midst of this evolution, one thing is clear: preparation and adaptability are key. From encouraging our youngsters to explore computer science to fostering our own AI talents, we must be ready to ride the wave of this change. The future of work is knocking. Are you ready to answer?